I think Monisha is saying something or asking something.
I think
Break ஆகுது என்னது?
she's saying the same thing.
Okay. Thank you both. So what we are explaining now is Joshua has asked width of the parent means width of the web page. Call பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க record பண்ண. Okay, thank you. So he asked, so width of the p tag is width of the parent, which is division here, and then width of the division here is width of the body tag. So body tag is for now body tag is full width of the website. So division will also take the full width of the website. So p tag is also taking the full width of the website. After going to CSS, if I am giving width to this, and then it will take p tag will take only the width of the parent. If I am giving 100 pixel width to the division, then p tag will also take 100% width of 100 pixel. So that is the nature of block elements. It will take width of the parent. While after reading CSS, we will connect all these stuffs very well. Okay. Any other questions? If there is no questions, we can ask questions. So p tag we already know, which is a block element. H1 tag is it a block or inline? Audio கேட்கலையா? Is there much delay between my voice? No, right? Whether H1 tag is a block element or inline element? So, யாருக்குமே தெரியலையா? Block. Inline, Harish Kumar. Okay. At least 2 or 3 can say, I don't know. If you don't know. Fourth session. Okay. Block H1 to H is block. Madan is block. Yes. See, this is the H1 tag I gave. Velmurugan S. So whatever tags, see, you can see here. H1 takes the width of the body. For now, body is the parent. So H1 takes the width of the body. So it takes the full width. P tag also takes full width, but A tag takes its own width. So so H1 is block element, not inline. Harish Kumar, it is not inline, it is block. A tag, just now I have said, A tag is the inline element. Image, we don't want to confuse now. It is also inline, and then break does not take any width. If you break, I'll hover over it, and then break won't take any width at all. Actually, zero width only. If you hover over it, it will show how much width it took. For A tag, it took 133.38. Height, it took is 18. Just notice it down. It will be very useful when we start learning CSS. So this also inline, and image is also inline. For image, don't get confused. We will go to our resume. I just kept it in a separate folder for resume. I don't know where it is. I have created a separate folder. I think it's in my email. From tomorrow, I'll take all this before the class starts. Where it is in the box. So this is what we were trying to replicate. So in this itself, in here itself, we want to make these text bold, right? So what tags we want to give? So there are formatting tags. There are some formatting tags available. Actually, you just keep it in mind. Like the resume.docs, how you will do? There are things. You'll make it bold, and then if you want to give italics, you can, and then underline, you can. So whenever you're styling and those stuff, mostly we'll follow what, not only this, we can make it center, and then we can make it, these things we will do it in CSS, and then we can make it numbered. We will see each by one by one, but just mostly the styling will be in the same names like italics or bold or underline. So we all are used to of these words, be or strong. Yes. Then what is the difference between bold and strong? Does anybody knows what is the difference between bold and strong? Strong used in CSS. No, no, wrong answer. Strong we won't. Bold also we bold only we'll use. Font weight bold. Any idea? Anybody? Bold or strong? Actually, both are similar. Yeah, both are similar. Highlights in this text, both are same. The word is correct, but it is not exactly correct. If both are same, why they are having the two texts? The question arises here. So both are same in the look and feel. If you say answer like this, it will be perfect. Usually in interviews also, I prefer. We need to be. We need to tell to the point. Like both are same, but not both. Both cannot be same, because now you people don't know the answer. Maybe somebody you can say, but in the interviews we need to say both are same in the look and feel. There is a difference. Yeah, B tag defines bold text. Then strong also defines the bold text. We will go to the file. What are the tags we are going to see is formatting tags. First I will, okay. First we will keep it only this two, bold and strong. I am bold and then I am strong. One, two, okay. Document. We will go to the 5th session. 5, and then formatting tags, and then I don't know why I'm keeping it 2 files. Index.html. Okay, practice file. We don't want now. If I type each and everything, it will take time. So we will go here. Okay, look and wise bold and strong is look-wise, bold and strong is same, but it has a difference in the meaning-wise, context-wise. Bold is just, it makes the text bold when we want. Wait, I'll say you through this example. Actually, this is bold because we need to, in the design-wise, if it is bold, yeah, we can differentiate that this and this are. This is the email ID. We want a kind of heading, kind of that. But in here, what is the important point we want? textmail@gmail.com is the important text here actually, because this will be the same for each and everybody's resume, but this is the important text here. So here we have used bold just to just for the designing purpose, and then just we want to make a differentiate. There are two texts in the same line, so we are using. But in some places, the content also has the a strong meaning to convey, so we will use strong there. If we are using, we can say, I know, where I can say here everybody is each one line. So okay, we can say like Java, and then you have written a big paragraph, and then you are making it bold. What it says that the word Java and J2EE and then SQL is important. So we need to make this in strong, but the user does not know anything. He will see the same output. Whether it is bold or strong, we will see the same output. But for the HTML and meaningful, the code should be little bit meaningful while others read. Only for that purpose, there is two tags, bold and strong. Nothing more than that. Are you clear? Okay. So both are same, but only in the look and feel. Strong when we want to give bold to the when we want to make the thing just bold, we need to use bold. If the context itself is important, we need to use strong. Fine. Next, italic. And then other italics and EM. EM is emphasize. So italic tag and emphasize both are like bold only. Both are same. Little bit slanting line, italic or emphasize, same. When you just use italic for the designing purpose, it is italic. When you want to emphasize something, we want what is the meaning of emphasize? We want to how to say, the same kind of where importance can be used. When we are saying some important matter, we will in the speaking itself, we will emphasize something. Somebody has missed. Yeah, special importance. That's the same. Even in speaking, I'll be speaking little bit moderate sound. When there is an important thing comes, our slang will get changed. Same thing. When there is an important content we need to say, which should be italic, then that is emphasized. Just for the designing purpose, if you are using, that is italic. That's it. So they may ask these kind of questions because in HTML mostly they'll ask questions like inline versus block, and then these kind of conceptual questions they can ask, because other than that HTML is very simple, so they may concentrate on these kind of small nuances. So other three we can take. Other notice that only we need to open the B tag and close the B tag for the text which we want to bold. Same for strong, and then italic, and then emphasized. So what is SUP? When we want to give power, superscript and subscript, actually the name is superscript and subscript. I don't know whether I have written these things in my superscript and subscript. What is superscript? We might have read this in our school days or some days, these words. Superscript is fourth day. It is actually I plan to take it on the 4th day of the session. So I have written this is the 5th day. So it is 4th day of session. So for the TH, we we want to give the superscript, same SUP, close tag SUP, and then subscript is kind of log to table. If the text want to be small at the right side of the word, we will use this. And then mark is, there is another tag, mark. We won't use it much for in kind of a highlighting purpose. He is 25 years old. So to highlight this 25 we will use, but mostly our designers won't design like this. Seriously, they won't design like this. Only because why I'm saying is when we will convert the designs from the designers. So we will focus, if this is the design we are getting by the designer, we want to exactly replicate it in web page. So for now we are trying, but we cannot make exactly like this for now because we haven't studied CSS. After studying the CSS, we will complete everything with the same even spacing also. So now we will go to our resume. Okay. So I need to give bold for this. So these things are not important. The phone number and contact number, word is not important. The number is important. So we don't want to make it strong here. So we made this one strong. So what we want to study in this next. So what I'm going to do is, now we are going to study list. What is list? We can say what is list. If you want to buy something, then our mom will write it in list and then she'll tell you to buy that in provision shop. So that is when we are listing things, that is list. That's it. So there are in HTML there are two lists, not three. This is tags, just tags. There are two lists, unordered list and ordered list. From the name itself, we know that when there is no order, we will go for in the provision list. While our mom says wherever the place we can write it, it should not be in the same order. It is not important. But when we are writing steps like step 1, step 2, step 3 in Git, we need to first commit and then pull and then push. So that time it should be ordered. If you mismatch, then that will create a problem. So we don't need to, you all know these steps. So when it is unordered list, we will go for UL. When it is ordered list, we will go for OL. Ordered list, first product, second product. Yeah, first product and second product. Whenever we want to order the things, totally product. We can't. Okay, totally product. Ordered list is when we want to make when we want to buy something in the ordered way. It not buying also. The best example is step 1, step 2, step 3. When we want to do some things in each step, then we should follow that. So here, if we want to here, these everything are unordered. I can say exposure to new things in the first itself. That doesn't make much difference. So all these are in. We can make it as for now it is not purposeful. It also can be ordered, but unordered. But we are making it for just to develop there. So this is ordered list and this is unordered list. For that we will use UL and LI tags. UL tag and OL. What is LI? LI is each list here. Each list here. This is one LI and this is one LI and this is one LI. LI is list. LI. Mostly tags, letters is also meaningful only. P tag is paragraph. B is bold. So we will copy this and then we'll go to resume and then we can give what we will give for this other interest. We already used H1 tag here, but H1 tag is big, H1 tag. So we can use H2 or H3 tag. Can we make the chat window outside of that? I'm not sure. Okay, I'll check with Will tomorrow. And then if we can make the chat window here, it will be useful. Sticky here, it will be easy for me. So we can use H2 or even if the text font size is smaller, we can use H3. So what we need to do is we need to wrap this with unordered list tag because we don't want to be ordered. Then you need to wrap it with LI. The best thing is I can copy this and copy 5. Okay. See, but okay. Control 0, I'll check. Okay, this is little bit big actually. We can make it as H3. H3 and H3. It's a little bit smaller than that. Okay, we will keep it as H3 for now. After learning CSS, we can make it what exact size we want. Fine. So now, if we are giving, okay, we don't want to copy paste everything, and then we want no need to check. We will make it just OL UL to OL unordered list. Sorry, ordered list. So it change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So listing is simple. There is two things, unordered and ordered. So ordered is like same like a bulletin points here. We can make it, and then 1, 2, 3, or any number ones we can make. So you might have any doubt. You might have a doubt like here if we are giving here itself, even in the document they gave these many options. Yeah, it is there. We can change the bulletin point shape and size. After in CSS, we can do all these stuff. Even we can add image for that. You might have seen one arrow in the list. We will add arrow, and then we will write things. So those kind of images also we can make it in whatever the things we need. We can make it here instead of numbers or bulletin points. So okay. Next thing is tables. Where there is a table here, yeah, we want to make the structure. So by seeing this itself, yeah, this should be in a table because here itself we know there is a table. So in table, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. For now, we can include this also. 4 tables. Sorry, 4 rows. 1 row, 2 row, 3 and 4. And then columns, 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And each and everything is data. Right? So okay. We will go to our thing. We will write by the name itself. Table. We know table should come. So there should be table. Okay. Row should be there. What is the short form? First letter of row? R. So TR. Table row. That's it. So, and then what should be there? In this row, there are 4 datas present. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we need to give? TD. What is TD? Nothing but data, table data. That's it. TD. So 4 things are there. So I want to copy paste it to the 4 times. Then I can copy. Actually, we need to copy all this stuff because we need to learn some other stuffs also. In the first row, 4 things we have made. In college, I'll write it in small space. Einstein College. Einstein is where Whale has studied. EC, and then school name, right? Common school. And then in here also we can make, because instead of copying, I can. And then why I am writing this, because I need to explain some concepts. So with there are many lines, it will be easy. Number, some number to some number. CGPA. Okay, at least here we can give many more. We won't get that much mark. Still 95%, and then 99%. Fine. Okay, how it came? Yeah, we have achieved the structure of it, like course, college, year, score, and then 3 rows with same exactly how we want it came. But what is missing? Border is missing. So what we need to give? Border. Actually, usually we won't give border here. We will use CSS for border. Okay. Why it is coming in the red? Because this tag is deprecated. What is the meaning of spacing? Is not, yeah, necessary. We will come each way. Spacing, everything we will give in CSS only, but here also there is an option. I'll say border. So why it is coming in red? Because this tag is deprecated for now. It will, what is deprecated? It was there in the previous versions of HTML. This word many people will use whenever another version of a language is coming, like HTML4 or 3. It might have been already, it was used. Now they have found any problem, or they don't want that tag, so they'll remove that. In every PHP versions also, some concepts or some tags or some standards, everything will get deprecated. So whenever people use the word deprecated, it means it was present already, it is removed now. So border was there, but it is not. But we can see the border, right? Because they'll support for some years. They will support. If they say deprecated, they won't take that thing in the next version itself. At least for the next 2 versions, they will keep the. If I'm giving border, yeah, border is coming. It will come. Till now, they'll keep it for next 2 versions, and then they'll completely remove that. Even if I give border, I cannot get the border here. So that that is the standard of, that is the standard they'll follow within 1 day. Like, not like Modi, they will say demonetization from next day, money won't, we can't use 2000 rupees. It won't be like that, because they know the pain. In 1 day, if they remove, many projects would have used this border, right? Previously, before HTML5, people might have used in all the places border equal to 1. because there's a simple thing they can go and remove. If 10 features got deprecated in the next thing, so they need to go to 100 pages and then they need to remove. So they in some days itself they won't completely eradicate it from the project. They'll keep it for some days. So next thing is what she asked, spacing is enough. So call spacing. Sorry, not call. Cell spacing. When I say cell, actually, each thing is cell. This is a cell, this is a cell. These are all the same terms which is used in documents, Google document actually. This is a cell, each one is a cell. So cell spacing should be 10 I am giving. So how it reflects? 10. So the space between these cells is 2. So cell padding equal to, I can give 10. So still the structure is not good. What is padding is the space between here, the data to the border, this border, that is cell padding. When you work around, you can change the value and then play around it. For now, you can see this is the 100 pixel. So this is the padding, 100 pixel from top and then left and then right and then bottom. This is cell spacing is just 10 pixel between this. So we'll make it to 10 itself. 0. Why I'm giving 0? Because I don't want to any space between the cells, because I want a single line. So I have given cell spacing 0. But the table with this here our table is to the full length, but it is not like here. So we can give with attribute. I can give it in percentage here. 70% I can give. 70%. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. Can give some less actually. It's too lengthy. Okay, this looks a little better. What is missing here? There are some other things also missing. We haven't given exact width. Other than that, this is bold. So what you'll do? Don't go and give bold here. There is another tag, th. What is th? Heading. Heading, table heading. So if I'm giving the what happened? 1 second. Yeah, I made a mistake. Wait. Not instead of TR, instead of here we need to do. In the first year of my office only, I have used tables actually. Now I'm not working in HTML. TH. So table heading. So instead of data, if we make it as table heading, so it will automatically change it to bold, and also it has the default style. They are keeping in mind that mostly heading will be in center, but in our case actually it is not. So in a style sheet we need to make it in the left itself, but for now we will keep it like this itself. So see, the meaning of the HTML tag itself is we can, from the tag itself we know tr is row and then td is the data, table data, and then TH is table heading. That's it. There are some other tags I'll explain. Sometimes we may need like HSC and SSLC. Both we got 95%. Okay. So in both, if we got 95%, you no need to repeat this too. So we will make it in a single row. Here we will use merge two cells. TH, yes, correct, TH. Not for now. Previously for heading, he have told. This sometimes we want this 25 merge, simple concept, merge cells. We want to merge these two cells. So what we will do is, first we don't want this 99, right? So we don't want this 99. I'm removing it from here, and then I want to say row. This two rows, actually it is cell, but these two rows are going to share the same content. So row. So these rows are going to share the same thing. So I am giving row span equal to 2. So simple. So which data I don't want, I can remove it from the HTML, and then which data I'm going to use for the two things. So I'm making it as 2. So I can give another thing too. If I don't want 95 also, in all the things we got 95 score. So better we can give it here itself. So row span equal to 3. What it says, 3 rows are using the same value. Simple. Okay. So what exact same like this? If two columns are using the same value, we'll be having that situation also. So there, same, instead of row span, we need to give column span, call span. Instead of this, I'll give call span. But in call span, if B and EC, BE and EC. So I don't want this EC, and then we'll do it in another first line. First line, no, I'll remove the row span. Okay, each line has four TDs, but here I want to make it as BE itself. So call span equal to 2. What it is doing is it is taking the width of the two columns. That's it. Call span equal to 2. Yeah, mostly that's it about the table. If you are working in table alone, some people will work. Even Whale has worked around in the starting of his career. He has worked in the table itself for around 2 to 3-4 months, because there are much things in the table. When we want the exact design, and then exactly like the designs, not only designs, table header should be fixed, and then if we need to give a scroll bar here, and then in the mobile we want to see the table in a different way. There are too many things, but the tags and HTML tags are very simple. In CSS you can achieve too many things, so you may need much practice to get into these stuff. Okay, is there any questions till now? 7:48. Okay, 10 more minutes are there. I'll take div. Div means division. I'll explain it in a separate way, because now I haven't taken the div tag yet, because my resume does not need that till now. So I haven't taken, because I want to go in some order. So I will take it later. Div. Mostly next day. Next day is Monday. Yeah, I'll take mostly on Monday, Naveen. But for now, div is division. That's any other thing like TR, there is TC. What is that TC? Seriously, I don't know. Are you asking or are you telling? Okay. Whenever you ask a question, use this question mark so that I know. Maybe because there may be something. There may be TC also, because there can be also, but no, there is nothing called TC, because it is structured differently, like TR, and then we are not going column wise, like we are not writing it like column wise, we are writing like row wise. So TR, in TR, if we divide, then each one should be a table data. We can't say each one is a column. So there is nothing called a column. But yeah, actually nice question, because there is row and then data, but why not column? Because we are not writing in, we are designing in a different way. Okay. If there is no questions, I can go to the next topic. The next topic is not related to this thing. Mostly you yourself can make all other things. Yeah, that will be your next thing. You this line, okay, we can make this line. I will see. Yeah, one line come. Horizontal row, actually I think horizontal row only. In horizontally it will put one line, because we won't use this tag too much, because we mostly go for borders. There is a thing called border, because it is, we can for here also we can make a width of this, we can change the width and then color, but still border will be more comfortable. You'll come to know while using the stuff. So for now, in some places, yeah, we will use HR tag to make to provide this line. So this thing you can do on your own. You know the tags what you need to use, and then you can give a title for the title also. This also you know, this also you know, this also you know, this till this you can do. This also you can do. Just p tag and then you can go. Yeah, you can till here you can make. So tomorrow's homework will be, you need to do this resume on your own till this. I won't take my time to copy paste these things, and that I'll get file from any of you guys who have completed. Fine. Tomorrow I'll randomly highlight of text. Highlight. You're asking how to highlight the text. Highlighting of text, I said right. We have used mark one tag. Maybe I might not have shown here. Mark, this mark, MARK, career objective. Okay. You are asking background of it, right? Background for this. That you can leave. Whatever it comes in a styling way, you can leave. I just want a structure, HTML tag structure. That's it. Same like me, you can make only the structure, not styling. Fine. Yeah. Don't need to go for any CSS. You need to do only you need to use the tags also only what I have taught. If anybody knows HTML well, yeah, definitely you can use your own tags. You can use, but I'm saying the people who does not know, don't go and study and then use that. That also you can do. If you are studying in the self-studying is also fine, but if you're clear enough, then you can go. But it is not mandatory, and then it is not stress. You don't stress yourself to make it done. Just use the tags which I have taught you guys. Okay. So tomorrow's homework, and then seriously, I'll ask. I won't ask priorly, and then from here I will count some. I'll say some number, whose number is there, and then I'll get the file. I'll tell you to send the file, and then I'll use that only. Anybody who is having a valid reason, please inform to Shubha. Because you have 2 days time. This is small homework for you in 2 days. If anybody has a valid reason Yeah, definitely we can consider. Otherwise, randomly I'll call name and then I'll ask. But for that, don't do like in our okay. Don't bunk the class for that homework. I won't scold. Just I'll ask you. That's it. Because this is not a school. But still, I want you guys to be little dedicated. If you have more work, no need. Don't bunk the class. What we can read is in 5 minutes. I can teach you another thing. Where audio and video. So there are two tags. Video example, YouTube video. If you're going to YouTube, yeah, video is coming. How it is coming before? We can say one special thing here. Audio and video are the new tags in the HTML5. Keep it in mind, guys. They'll ask. Even after the 3 years of experience, they have asked me this question. What are the new features that came in HTML5? They'll ask like this. Then you need to say, okay, what are the new things? Because we might have, I don't know why people are asking this question at all. Because we have started, I also started my career in HTML5 only. Why I need to care what was there in HTML3 and 2 and 1? I don't know, because I know all the tags and then I'm comfortable in this. That's fine. I don't know why I want to go back to the thing and then what is new and then comparing. We can compare when HTML6 is coming. Yeah, I can say because I have worked in HTML5 and then I can cross check with HTML6. But keep it in mind, they'll ask. At least in 15 of you, at least you'll get this. At least one people, because for me they have asked. In two offices they have asked. What is the new features in HTML? So audio and video tag is one such a tag which got introduced only in the audio.html. Wait 1 second. We will create file here. One minute. Video.html. HTML5. There are other things also. We can. Whenever I remind, I'll say what are the. Whenever we study, okay, I'll tell. Okay, this comes in the HTML5. But I reminded now. Audio and video tags are the. Why I'm saying this is video and audio was previously before this tag comes. They will do lot of work, it seems, to bring the video. There will be they need some software in client machine, and then it was a hectic process to bring one video or audio in the browser, it seems. Previously Whale also have said me. So this made the people's efforts easy. That's why I'm saying. So how the tag will look like? One video. So it's same like image we have given, right? So path we need to give. For now also, don't make it much confusing. We can give video file dot mp4. That's it. HTML. Which session we are in? Five, right? 5 audios and videos. Video. Yeah, video has come. But how I can access it? Nothing came. Only one image, because I haven't given controls. So you need controls to access the video. So we want to give controls. Yeah, it came. Yeah, I can play this. Already people will be sleeping. It reminds this. Okay. But I don't want to wait till clicking here. Whenever I go in FB, we will play auto play mode, right? Same. Nothing you need to remember. So autoplay. If you give autoplay, why it is not playing? It will play. I'm not sure why it is not playing. Because in iPhone it won't play. If we give autoplay option, we will check here. No need to video tag autoplay. because autoplay won't work sometimes. I'm not sure, but we will. Your browser that does not support the video tag. See, here it is working. What mistake I'm doing? Controls, autoplay. This is different. I'll teach. Wait. Whenever we are finding mistakes, right? We need to just copy paste it. We should not type when we are not confident enough that it is correct. Because while typing, this is a serious thing. Whenever you're typing content, also you should not type like me. You should copy there and then you should paste. You should not type. It should be like a mantra. Even if you know the spelling very well, you should not type. This is a mantra I learned. Because how much ever you are confident in typing, you'll make a mistake in live sites. Not only me, most of my managers gave the suggestion: don't type, copy. Even file also, some when we want to use, right? We won't type sample hyphen audio. Now only because I don't know the shortcut here, because in my IntelliJ I know the shortcut, but here I don't know. So I'll copy a file name and then I'll paste, because that should become our habit. See, here it is not. Here the file is not there. I'll change the file's name. Okay, they have given it in a different way. I need to copy that again. But for now we are checking only the autoplay, why it is not working. What is our file name? Video file.mp4. யாரோ இதை சொல்றாங்க. ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாங்களோ? மோனிஷா அங்க அப்படியே ஃபேமிலி கூட பேசிட்டே லைட்டா இங்க கவனிக்கிறது. Maybe autoplay is not supporting in my machine. I'll check. Because after getting I'm using Mac machine. After in this office, I haven't used HTML tags, so I'm not sure. Because in my previous machine, it was working. You can check on your one, and then I'll get the answer for you tomorrow. So what is the source thing? Control Z. What is the source mentions here? Because some browsers may not support the MP4 format. So format is also important. So we can give the alternative path file here, format here, when it is not working. First, in the browser, it will check MP4 whether MP4, the browser will support MP4, otherwise OGG, and then there are many formats. In Mac, automatically it say MOV. Seriously, I need a separate box. OGG. Actually, I don't know. OGG is some extension. Just a format. MOV, like MOV. Wait. Format of video. I have used OGG file, but I don't know the expansion. Like same like JPG. JPG general, we know the word. Okay, we can check. No problem. I don't. Here is that they haven't given expansion, but it is just a format. For now, it is just a format like MP4 and MP. Yeah. The question answer should be like this actually. Mine for MP4, PNG, and for others I'm saying JPEG and .jpg. So like this, OG is a format. So why we are going for this tag is, when MP4 is not supported in our browser, it is an alternate option of format, because we need to keep the OGG file also here. With the MP4 it will work. Somebody have asked also how to convert JPG to PNG image. We cannot, because I too had the doubt in my thing. We should not change this to JPG. We should not change this MP4 to OGG. That is not correct. The format of the file should be OGG. While creating the video itself, it should be saved in OGG format. So don't please change this format name. It won't work. So OGG, and also we can give MOV. MOV when I'm sharing my records with you guys, it will be in MOV, not this records. If I do some self-recording in my own in machine, it will get saved in MOV. But the thing is, our Chrome and then Firefox and those browsers don't need this tag, because it cleverly it suppose most of the formats available, most of the video formats available. So we don't need this pain point. We can directly give one source here. So width and height. So same like image tag, we can use this also. Width and height, nothing much. So there are only two new controls here. This video tag has also lots and lots of options. I haven't worked. Dale has worked for around 6 to 7 months in videos part itself in JavaScript. He works, including JavaScript. He worked, so he likes actually video tags much. Any other questions? There is no question. If you have any questions, you can ask. I'll go with another tag. Audio. We will wrap with this tag. Audio. Okay, I'll use this file itself, and then I don't want to create a HTML there now. I'm just moving my file here, and then src equal to sample hyphen audio.mp3. Actually, it is showing suggestion that you can click on it. For that, for saving our time only, it is showing. So we need to use. I will remove this tags. So only we are keeping audio tag. Nothing is coming. Why? Because there at least they have used some thumbnail image there. So for audio we cannot represent. So we need to add controls. Only visual thing in that is controls. I don't know which audio it is. Some music. That's it. This also you can change the colors, everything, but it is tough actually. In video also, if you are working on the controls, right? Each control, it is tough. Not just like tough. It is tough in HTML. We need to know JavaScript, and then we need to. There will be many compatibility issues in these kind of accessing this color and this color and all. We can do, but it needs. We don't want to learn each and everything in the starting itself. Whenever we get requirements, we will learn. In Office also, we cannot learn each and everything in detail, because I haven't worked in video tag. I haven't used. I might have studied in different, worked in different things. So whenever people does not know, we should not say, okay, they does not get the opportunity to explore. Same like now we don't know how to use laptop. We can't say we are waste, because we does not get opportunity for that in our triple or mechanical or ECE. வீடியோ டேகுக்குள்ள போடாம வெளியில போட்டா எஸ்ஆர்சி முன்னாடி சோர்ஸ் போடணுமா? தீஸ் திங்ஸ் யூ கேன். சரி, ஓகே, சே வீடியோ டேக்குள்ள போடாம வெளியே போட்டா சோர்ஸ் முன்னாடி. Nothing, that is just a syntax. I will show. Syntax we can check. If I'm giving three formats I'm going to give. So source, if I'm giving here, it does not make any sense, right? So which thing it will take? So we are putting in each source we are giving src, and then for MP, I haven't told this. Type is what type of video we are using. So I should do MOV. Here, for this OGG type, we are using this path. For this MOV, we are using this path. So path we need to specify, right? One MP4 file would have been in some other different folder, and MOV will be in some other different folder. So we need to use the source tag here. If I'm removing, if I don't want this tag at all, because my browser is clever enough supporting all the stuff, then I can remove it. Now I need only one format of file which I has. So I'll give here itself. That's it. Syntax, you'll get used to it. If you delete these three things and then you yourself will know where to write because you know image tag already. So when practicing, it will come. That the question is just related to syntax. 8:10. Yeah, we can wrap up with this concept for today. I have given here these two already we have seen. These three things I'll put it in the name of session 4. And also I'll add video and audio text content here and then I'll share it with you guys. It is not content exactly. This is like a cheat sheet. After reading all the things, if you come here and then you need to answer P is block tag and then B a bold emphasis. Here UL. So you need to answer. One thing I forgot to tell, what it is you will be having periodically quiz kind of not exam. Maybe you might be having any mock interviews. Not now. It will take much time, but you'll be periodically having some test. Mostly weekly it will be, but for the first week I don't want to give. I don't want to give you that. So from the second week, 90% every week you'll be having quiz or test, any test. So be ready for that. So learn daily, or working professionals at least learn in the Saturdays. We usually conduct on Saturday mornings. If many are working here, we can consider that and then we can conduct accordingly. At least 1 hour we will conduct and then we will evaluate your performance. First week it won't be, and then HR will reach you for this Saturday. We might be having a one-to-one call with you all because many are having some concerns regarding maybe language or also my speed, and also regarding the timing because some are working. Some people might want I can learn, I have more time, and then you please take 2 hours of class. Yeah, you might be having many concerns. So this Saturday mostly you'll be having a one-on-one video calls. HR will reach you for your availability, and then if you are unavailable, and then we can make it on another days too. So respond to her. She'll reach before afternoon. She'll reach you guys, maybe in the WhatsApp or phone call. Any other thing you want to know, or shall we wind up? Holiday for who? For me, it's holiday. Yes. For us. Do you want holidays? No class. Don't want class? Okay, then we can extend our timing program. Are asking there is class. No, there is no class. Hey, if you guys are asking question, please put it as a question mark. I need to teach this. Question mark comes under interrogative and then imperative. Really, actually, I'm not kidding. If you guys want some English classes also, if anybody wants some class over, இப்போவா முடிச்சுக்கோங்கன்னு சொல்றியா? தயவுசெய்து தமிழ் யாராவது கேளுங்க. இல்ல இதை ஆன் பண்ணி கேளுங்க. இங்கதான் இது இருக்கே, டக்குன்னு ஒரு நிமிஷம் இங்க ஆன் பண்ணி கேளுங்க. அப்புறம் தனியா கேட்கறேன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. இங்கே கேளுங்க. என்ன கொஸ்டின்? கிளாஸ் ஓவரா? மைக்ரோஃபோன் நாட் ஒர்க்கிங். சரி, ஓகே. He'll be getting his new laptop in next week. After that, Naveen will speak here itself. Wait, I'll tell clearly there is no class tomorrow. If you guys don't want classes on Saturday, Sundays, sure. If you guys don't want classes on weekends, then HR will reach you guys. For that only we are taking that one-on-one. We will clearly speak. So if anybody does not want class and then some people are interested, yeah, we can take different topics which is not related to which is not in continuation here. We can do that also. if I'm taking that class, and everyone will come and join, because everyone want to know things because they want job now. I won't say they are all wants knowledge, because I'll also feel lazy in weekends. But still, we are in the stage we want to get job, not like cool volunteer class. Oh, voluntarily you will take class. We are saying it is not mandatory. Anybody can. The people who wants can attend or not. Volunteer class meaning you want to take class. If you are any all once. சரி நம்ம வந்து தனியாவே பேசிப்போம். Anything else? Okay, no. Okay, guys, thank you. I'll send you the videos and then PPT. No teacher, bye bye. Teacher, yeah. Then you can call me Miss or Madam regularly. No problem for me. I'm telling you guys to call me Pavitra, because some people are not comfortable to call by name, but that is the mantra of IT culture. There should be no hierarchy at all. From the first day, we should call others with their names. It got escalated actually. I was calling some people as Akka and all. My manager was too strict, and then that too in the Coimbatore office. How will I call others? Being from the day one, people have taught me Akka Anna only, give respect, and then I was not comfortable to. Hey, this is out of topic. Whoever wants to go exit, and then you can go. So what I told you guys is, yeah, definitely you should call me by name. But if you're comfortable enough to call others names, and then you want to call me madam or teacher, and then no, continue. Teacher, Akka, that is fine. When you can call me by those names is when you're comfortable enough to call others by using their names. If you're not comfortable, and then நம்ம சொசைட்டி சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து மரியாதை கொடுக்குற சொல்லி கொடுக்குறது, if you keep it in your mind, remove that and then call me by name. That's it. That's the purpose of telling you to call me by name, not other than that. Yeah, we can wind up. I think there are too much of stories. We can wind up. Bye bye.